Hey everyone, this is Tyler from Elite Pro Properties, and today I'll be giving you a tour of this beautiful new construction which is here in Asheboro, North Carolina. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. It's around 1450 square foot. It's got a 2-car attached garage and a split floor plan. Right now I'm standing inside of the main living area, which is an open concept with the kitchen and the living room and also dining area. This kitchen has brand new appliances, granite countertops, shaker style cabinets. This home has been very well done. It's got very high quality features to it. And one of the great things that this builder does is he's not like every other one. He's got a little bit different style. You can tell some of these things that have been used to build this property are higher quality. So you don't have the plain laminate flooring. You have engineered hardwood floors, which are durable, but also look more like real hardwood instead of those fake laminate floors. You've got granite in all the bathrooms. You also have tile in bathrooms, which is kind of rare with new construction. Lots of times you're seeing laminate carried into the bathrooms or mimic tile, just fake stuff. So it's very cool to see the real thing. And one thing that I really like about this builder as well, which I'll show you here, most corners are very squared, but this builder makes them curved, which gives the home a very cool look to it. Another thing that this floor plan is great about doing is it uses space. So you've got a lot of closets just everywhere. In this hallway right here, for example, we have 2 closets on each side. So you got 2 linen closets for this side, as well as closets in each of the bedrooms. And as we walk in here, you've also got a closet in this little breezeway that leads to the garage. And the laundry room here behind me also has tiled floor. So it's just a very cool, high quality house. And the other great thing about this property is you are on almost 2 acres and you're very close to the city, which is a very rare thing to find, especially out here in a new construction. Lots of times we're seeing these new constructions built, they're on almost 0 lot lines and hardly any space, but this home has space and it's also got some great outdoor space. You can see behind me here, cool thing about this door, it has the built-in blinds. You have a back porch that is covered as well as a front porch that's covered. So here is the back. And you can see behind me, there's an old barn. This was once a farm, and as the years have gone on, it's been split up and this builder just developed this house on it. So hope you enjoy this tour. And if you're looking for a house in Asheboro, North Carolina, or any part of North Carolina, give us a call. Thanks.